Hi viewers, today I'm making spicy beef meatballs curry using air fryer. This will be done in 2 steps. First I'm gonna prepare the beef meatballs using air fryer and then I'm gonna make the curry on the stove. So let's start by making meatballs. Here I have 1 pound of ground beef. I'm putting in 3/4 cup finely chopped onions, half cup mint and coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons roasted chickpea powder, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, I'm going to chop everything. I'm gonna take this out and form meatballs. I'm making medium-sized meatballs. The meatballs are ready. I'm now gonna spray them with canola oil. Alternatively, you can just brush them with canola oil. I'm preheating the air fryer at 390. The air fryer is preheated now. I'm gonna put the meatballs in. I'm closing the lid and we are gonna set the timer to 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Let's look at the meatballs. Yes, they look ready. Now I'm gonna take them out. For the gravy, I'm starting by taking some oil in the pan. I think it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons or more if desired. I'm starting by putting some garam masala in it. Here I have some black peppercorns, 3 to 4 dried cardamoms, 1 small cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 3 to 4 cloves. After frying them a little bit, I'm adding half cup of onion paste. One teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, adding half cup tomato puree, half cup of yogurt, one teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, I will let it simmer for a few minutes. I'm adding in the meatballs. Lastly, I'm adding half cup of water. I'm gonna cover them and let them cook for around 7 to 8 minutes. The curry looks ready. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of garam masala, I'm gonna garnish these with mint, coriander, and green chilies.